crafty people. In this video, we're going to be talking about an abbreviation, CL, which stands for cluster. Now, a cluster can be any kind of stitch. It can be single, double, half, treble, whatever you're making, as long as the final ending of the stitch is completed all together with all of the stitches. And that makes a cluster. Now, a bauble and a popcorn stitch and all of those, they're clusters. But of course, a cluster is not necessarily a bauble or a popcorn or what have you. It's kind of like all champagne is sparkling wine, but not all sparkling wine is champagne, that kind of thing. It's a generalized term for a type of a stitch. So in this pattern, I've got a cluster of 3 double crochets alternating here, and I can see that the next chain space is going to have a 3 double crochet cluster. So let's go ahead and make it in there. So that's 1, and I'm going to leave the 2 loops without completing them. Make another beginning. That's 2, leave the loop. And that's 3, and now I'm just going to complete them all. And there you go, I made a cluster. So there you go, a CL cluster.